Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to fix Doordash payment error. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix a Doordash payment error, you need to start by ensuring your payment information is accurate, including your card number, expiration date, and billing zip code. So for this, you need to simply go in your account section, and there you can find the payment method section as well. So if you have any error in this, you might just fix it right now. So if the error persists, even after you have made the correction, try removing and re-adding the payment method. So if you are a dasher, double check your bank account details and contact support for a payment review if you believe there is an issue with your earnings as well. So this is how you can fix Doordash payment error. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.